So another quick update after me native bush walk. I'll show you my tractors. So this is Massey Ferguson TEA20. I managed to accidentally buy two of them. None of them run when I got them. Well, this one was supposed to run, but it was, head gasket was gone on it and it was full of sludge. So I got it back on the Saturday, and on the Sunday I stripped the head off, cleaned all the water ways and whatever, got all the sludge out. New head gasket which came with it, which was really old, in a really old packet. It's been with it for years, and chucked it on and away she went. So that one's that's a runner. So this is also a very rare one. So this has got a crawler gear on it apparently. This little bit on each side there, look. So apparently it's a very rare tractor, I've been told, but I don't know how true that is. And then this one over here was a Brucey bonus that I got with it. So this one was supposed to have been a runner as well, but when I flicked it over to try and get it going, it turned out all the valves were stuck. I just bent a few push rods, and then I stripped it down and the bores look wanky, and yeah, so my plan is, this one is gonna get a Dulux overhaul. So I'm gonna strip all the rust and shit off of it and paint it, then taking this engine out. Then I'm gonna put the engine out of that one over there in it, because it's a good runner, and make this so everything works on it. So some lucky person or people can have it to do whatever they want with, and hopefully whatever I get for this one will pay for me to get that one going again. So that'll be rebuilding this engine totally, so it'll be like a new engine. So I'm pretty much a farmer now because I've got two tractors in it and shit.